Today, I will show you briefly and step by step how to measure leaf width and leaf length using Petiole Pro. So you have your mobile application installed. All you need to do, go to mobile app. Then you need to choose photo with your leaf, touch the leaf, and then you see the small thumbnail of the leaf. The next step is to touch the thumbnail. You can see the leaf better and enlarged. After this, you need to touch the screen on the leaf in one place. You see the red dot appeared on the screen. And then you need to make like a parallel and touch the leaf on the other side. You will see the next red dot, and the distance between these two red dots, the yellow line, will make the width of the leaf. How to find the length of the leaf? The method is exactly the same. So all you need, you can just, by the way, close the submenu, and then all you need to do is touch again the top of the leaf. You see the red button on the top of the leaf, and then need to touch the end of the leaf here. Now you can see clearly the length of the leaf. I hope this brief instruction was helpful, and now you will be master of measuring leaf length and width using Petiole Pro.